In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Audible desktop account to another account. If you use more than one Audible profile, for example, a personal account and a work account, switching between them on your desktop is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, share what to expect on each screen, and offer a few helpful tips to keep everything organized and secure. Start by opening the Audible website in your desktop browser. Make sure you're on the correct Audible storefront for your region so the sign-in page matches the account you intend to use. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your current account name or profile area. Hover your mouse over that area to reveal the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Sign Out. This fully disconnects the current session so you can cleanly move to another account without mixing libraries or credits. When the page refreshes, look again to the top right and click Sign In. Audible sign-in is handled through Amazon, so the page may carry Amazon branding and standard Amazon security features. That's normal. Take a second here to confirm the country or region displayed matches the one tied to the account you're switching to, as content and memberships can be region-specific. On the sign-in page, enter the email address or mobile number associated with the Audible account you want to use, then click Continue. Be sure you're typing the credentials for the correct account. This prevents signing into the wrong library. Next, enter the password for that account and click Sign In. If you're prompted for additional verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Keep your credentials private and avoid saving passwords on shared computers to protect your account. You should now be signed into the new account. To confirm the switch, glance at the top right to check the displayed name. You can also visit your library to make sure you see the correct audiobooks and credits. If something looks off, sign out and repeat the process with the intended email or number. A few quick tips to keep future switches smooth. Use distinct browser profiles or separate browsers for different accounts to avoid autofill confusion, and always sign out when you're done on a shared device. That's all there is to it. Sign out, sign in with the other credentials, and you're ready to listen from the right library. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made changing your Audible desktop account fast and stress-free.